We have bought our first equipment, I want to say back in 2014. We have 2 Pro Cut machines at our establishment. The Pro Cut machine has been absolutely wonderful. We've used a competitor's machine and find the ease of operation with Pro Cut has been substantially better. Training has been fantastic. If by any chance maintenance needs to be done on these machines, the support team has been out here usually within a day to help us out. Revenue has been fantastic. Brakes require maintenance on average anywhere, depending on how they're driven, anywhere from, we'll say, 30 to 50,000 miles. So that being said, the Pro Cut machine is a great retention tool where we have the ability to properly maintain brake systems on all the vehicles we service. I don't believe there's been any issues with this. Even if we have encountered an issue with the machine, with the Pro Cut machine, I can't recall any issues where we've had any comebacks related. Once the Pro Cut machine has been used, resurfacing rotors, the sheer cost of replacement parts versus repair, meaning resurfacing with the Pro Cut machine, means you will retain more of that business, as opposed to a smart shopper per se calling maybe 5 other stores to say, do you repair versus replace? The people that repair will be able to work on more vehicles. It is one of the most important tools we use as far as any type of maintenance on the vehicles. It is an enormous benefit to us. The best thing about the Pro Cut product has been the ability to help save our customers money with repairs. Is it easy in some cases to just replace rotors? Yes. However, the cost is quite frankly a lot more in that manner. So using the Pro Cut machine where we have the ability to resurface rotors has absolutely saved and benefited our customers. Repair versus replacement is just a substantial cost savings to our customers using the Pro Cut machine. Typically a repair where we have to replace rotors per axle is around $680. While using the Pro Cut machine, we are able to get that cost down to about $380. We still retain in the neighborhood of 80 to 85% of all repair quotes using that machine. You have to give Pro Cut a try. Really depends on the condition of the brakes, but you will quote resurfacing on all 10 of them. The Pro Cut machine, as far as from what I can tell, the technician's preference is just ease of operation. Once the technicians have been trained just one time, they have very little issues, if none, using the machines. The Pro Cut machine gives us, I believe, a great advantage versus even the competitors, as now we have experience using other competitors' equipment. The ease of operation on that Pro Cut, the training, the support is superior. There's such an advantage to having this type of equipment to help these guys get their jobs done efficiently. As you know, as a service department, we sell time and we sell parts. When repairs can be done in a timely fashion, that is an enormous benefit. A type of repair, such as a brake reline, even if it's one axle, will add generally an hour of time. We offer options for that person if they cannot wait to use one of our loaner vehicles or something of that nature. However, if they have to wait, it's generally about an extra hour per axle that they will be waiting. As for the last 10 years, roughly, we've been using the Pro Cut machine. I can't think of anything negative whatsoever about this product. It has been fantastic. It's worked flawless in now 2 locations for me. And I know the technicians are very happy using the product, the Pro Cut equipment. That being said, we'd love to continue this relationship for as long as we can.